Join me here in the studio and let me show you how I paint this beautiful atmospheric winter landscape scene in watercolour. In this workshop you'll learn a host of creative techniques that can be used to paint sunsets, snow, water reflections, trees and lots more besides. See just how easy watercolour painting can be and experience the freedom that you get when you finally get up the courage to start breaking a few rules with the medium. Let me show you how to get results like this and all in less than an hour. This workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this fantastic video on demand workshop today for just £25. See you in the studio.